Mission: Central Luzon State University shall develop globally competitive, work-ready, socially responsible, and empowered human resources who value lifelong learning and to generate, disseminate, and apply knowledge and technologies for poverty alleviation, environmental protection, and sustainable development. Vision: Central Luzon State University as a world-class national research university for science and technology in agriculture and allied fields. Philosophy: The ultimate measures of the effectiveness of Central Luzon State University as an institution of higher learning is its contribution to and impact on the regional, economic, social, cultural, political, and moral well-being and environmental consciousness of the people it serves.